What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, today I have a new dance tutorial for you. So this song is from Ylona Garcia. Okay, the title of the song is called Space. And yeah, let's start. Alright, let's start. So for this one, we do it fast, okay? You just repeat if you are having problem getting it. Okay, so it goes like this. Whatever range. So right, 1 and 2, 3, 4. So 5 and 6. Hit on 7 and 8. Okay, one more time. So 5, 6, 7 and go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Loop 6, 7 and 8. Next, good job. From here, 8, head. 1, 2, 3. Look back on 4, head. 5, 6, away 7 and 8. Let's do it from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, look back, 5, 6, away, and 8. Good job. Next, from here, in 1, 2, copy, hit 3, and 4, away 5, head 6, down, right 7 and 8. One more time, 7, 8. I know, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, close 4, 5, head 7 and 8. Continue. Down 1, 2, 3, 4. Focus on this one. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Let's try again the part. 8 down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and. So when you open this, that's the time you open your legs. And 7 and 8. Alright, let's start from the beginning. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, chest, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, away, 5, 6, 7, 8, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Good job. Last 2 8s. Very good. You're doing great. So 5, 6, 7, 8 from here. We do right, then do the same on the left. Just a little bit of changes. 7 hips, 1, down 2, loop 3, loop front, and a 4. So it goes like this. 7 and 1, 2, 3, loop and 4. Other side. 6. This time with the hand. 7 and 8. Good job. Let's try faster. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, and a 4, and a 5, 6, then 7 and 8. Good job. Okay, last one. Last 2 8. Sorry, I thought this last 2 8. This should be last 3 8. Okay, last 2 8s. So from here, 7 and 8. And 8, you gotta drop and step back. 1, 2, circle. 3, 4. Copy? Then 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's continue. 8, go 1, loop 2, you should hit 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, flip on 8. And that's it. That's all the choreography. I just add a little bit from the chorus. Okay? So let's do everything from the beginning. All of it. Super slow. So 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, hip, 4, 5, 6, down, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, look front eye. 1, 2, hit the tap tap out. 1, 2, circle down. 5, 6, 7, last 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Yes! Good job! Thank you guys so much for watching Hope You Like the Choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment on our video. And also don't forget to press the notification bell. Okay? This is for the future upload. Bye bye.